Hi friends, welcome to our new video. This time we are exploring the Bangalore nearby waterfall, Thottikallu. To reach the falls, tourists need to follow the route at Kagalipura. This route lies off the Bangalore-Kanakapura road leading to Byalemarada Duddi. There is a good road that leads to the beautiful falls. The distance from Thottikallu to Bangalore is 28 kilometers. If you are taking your own vehicle, then it's well and good. If not, you can change buses to get to Kagalipura bus stop. The falls are very close to the bus stop. You can take an auto from the bus stop to get to the entrance to the falls. There has enough place to park your vehicle. Once you are inside the gate, you will have to walk and climb up the rocks a bit. The timings to visit this spot is from 8 am to 5 pm on all days of the week, and you don't need to pay any passage expenses to visit this place. They are popular as TK Falls and are also famous as Swarnamugi Waterfalls. Swarnamugi means whose face shines or glitters like gold. There is a small shrine at this place. Individuals additionally visit the Muneshwara temple that is situated under a tremendous tree directly at the passage of Thottikallu Falls. The Thottikallu Falls become very popular because it's very near to Bangalore city. In weekend, especially when the enough water flow there in falls, here it is very crowded, so in the season recommended to visit this place weekdays. So it will be less crowd and you can peacefully enjoy the falls. At Thottikallu Falls, you will discover two nearby falls. One fall has a wide shower and the other is a limited fly stream. The best time to visit the Thottikallu Falls is from October to March once the monsoon period is over. It is during this time when the fall flow with extreme force. Heavy rainfalls add a risk of landslides in the region, and therefore, monsoon season should be avoided. You won't find much water in the stream in the summer, which really takes away from the beauty of the falls. It is a beautiful place for a short visit, especially for nature lovers. Nice waterfall, but not big. The way to the waterfall is by the side of a stream. It may be difficult for aged people and kids as the way to waterfall has ups and downs through bushes. A bit adventurous and at the same time safe too. One of the best place and hidden gems of nature. We are visiting the month of May and the water level is decent now because last 2 weeks has heavy rainfalls happened this area. The water level mainly depend on rain, therefore we need to visit this place only during rainy season, otherwise you will feel nothing great here. But the sad part here it is, wherever human goes who doesn't have any common sense they will leave footprint as plastic bottles, spoons, clothes, slippers, very bad for it as there was plastic trash in large quantities. My request to all, please do not throw away plastic or any garbage here or any nature place, we need to preserve our nature. Be responsible and respectful for the nature when visiting such places. Hope you friends like the video. If you are on your own conveyance, then there are more places near Thottikallu Falls that you may visit to make your outing more fun and interesting. Nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts like to visit the place Bannerghatta National Park. You can hop on a jungle safari where you will find wild animals lying in their natural habitat. Another place is Baitarai Duddi Lake. This is one of the good place for bird watching. One can sit by the lake and gaze at the calm waters for hours. Thank you all for watching video. We will upload more videos frequently. Kindly subscribe and stay tuned.